You have to remind yourself over and over again of the technical process for a halt. Breathing correctly is half the battle. With this, the upper body becomes straight and the lower back ready. And when all of that happens as a harmonious, fluid movement, then you can feel the horse respond. The horse arches its neck, and I have no weight in my hands, because the use of the hand can rapidly become excessive. Then horses get behind the bit. You can often see that nowadays. The leg touches the horse. Immediately you can see that the stomach muscles contract. These muscles are connected to the pelvis, which rotates forwards through the contraction. It can be seen here clearly. The hind legs are now able to easily step under the center of gravity. If a full halt is ultimately as successful as here, if during the transition to a halt the horse takes its weight smoothly with its hind legs and halts in a compact and balanced manner, then you have worked well.